Hello, Lake Elsinore. I'm Mayor Brian Tisdale, and I am back to provide our latest COVID-19 update. First, this week we saw a small spike in our confirmed cases for Riverside County. It is important that we remember we are not yet through this. We must still take precautions to stay safe and protect others. As of Wednesday night, Riverside County had nearly 12,000 confirmed cases. In Lake Elsinore, we had 219 confirmed cases with 8 deaths so far. More of our local businesses can now start to reopen, including services such as nail salons, tattoo shops, massage services, libraries, and even wedding ceremonies. This week, both City Hall and Riverside County offices all reopen. However, the county has taken a phased approach for our libraries, starting with express service on June 22nd and limited library access as of July 6th. Other announcements from Riverside County this week include the Board of Supervisors approved up to $5 million in additional financial support for our nonprofit community. Nonprofits can apply for grants of up to $10,000. The application period will start July 1st and end July 31st. The county announced a new rental assistance program in partnership with United Way. The program, called United Lift, will provide $33 million in rental assistance to help keep families and residents housed throughout Riverside County. Assistance will be provided between June and November 2020. Residents can apply online or by dialing 211 for information. The application opened on June 15th and will stay open until Thursday, June 25th. Each month, there will be a new 10-day application period for those in need. And finally, one last reminder that today is the deadline for the county's Small Business Assistant grants. Based on the number of applicants, this deadline may be extended, so we will be sure to share this new deadline. As I mentioned, we are still in the midst of this pandemic. We need your support. So far, more than 160,000 people have been tested in Riverside County. The county has now launched mobile testing teams to reach target communities. If you have not yet been tested or are experiencing any symptoms, we urge you to get tested. The impacts of this pandemic are far-reaching, and we have all been negatively impacted. As the federal and state government are looking for ways to help local government cover their financial losses due to COVID-19, the city is doing its part to prepare as much as possible. Next week, we will host our city council meeting in person with modifications, including social distancing. At this meeting, the city will look at next year's capital and operating budget. This pandemic will have an impact on our budget this year and next. It is more important than ever that we hear from you. As we look to the future and move through our recovery, we would like to ask residents to take a brief online survey about your top city priorities. Lake Elsinore, we've come a long way. We will make it through this. Thank you for your continued support.